Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. Today we are playing Rain World. So let's just get into it. Tree. Family. Spears. Bats. Long ago, the four nations lived together in harmony. And there's the rain. That was until the rain attacked. No, he died. Let's go.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Hello. Flynn, watch my stream.
The Sigma walks alone. Alright.
I walk in the moonlight.
What?
Oh my goodness, I outplayed him. No! No! Oh my gosh, we passed each other mid. No! No! What is that? No wait, oh you went there.
The Sigma. No place in Tara.
Oh my goodness, he's over here now?
Blaine, you wanna hop on Centaura?
Oh, what?
No! No!
That war game. Oh god. So that is not a good spot. What is going on?
No! Okay, thank you, sir. Down, go down.
I saw a TikTok about the KSI song. Literally, the top comment is PE teacher's gonna love this one.
This is like his first song, is that why it's such a big deal?
No, he just makes
Oh wait, you can use the spears you throw as little platforms. Oh, I was talking about the spears. No wait, I thought he was dead! I thought he was dead. No, he's just not down.
Are you saying spears or spheres?
Spears. Like this thing. Now I'm just dead. Get me out of here. No! No, please! No, please! The juke! No. You know, I'm trying to do something, and these two guys are making it very hard for me to do that thing.
I'm ready. That's how I feel this battle.
Okay, I made a parkour my way.
Immediately got shot, got an assist, and then went back to base.
Made it to a new area. That red plant looked suspicious, but it was fine. Oh, there's a cyan guy. What's he do? He's been a month, that's what he's doing. And there's the green guy again. I don't want to go through there, because that's where they are, but like... No! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Save me, King! Save me!
Thousand away.
Okay, I've just been holding some food this whole time.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
I'm trying to get to the next hibernation spot. I think this is it. Here's a strange energy. What's that? I ate something and it passed the day, I think.
Thank God my earbuds are charged.
Airbud? I feel like I've been here before. Wait, no, this is where you saw the mosquito guy.
Jake Paul reaction to KSI. Thank you, KSI, you hero. My 83-year-old grandpa hasn't been able to walk in years, but when you released this song, he finally stood up to turn it off.
No,
It's just like a realistic military thingy.
There's a bright red guy. Not bright red, kind of like a hot pink. And it's raining. This is why I need it. Like, this is like my first day. I'm already at the hub. Where you go, I go. What you see, I see. I know I'd never be me without the security. I'm barely seeing anything. Your loving arms, keeping me. Where am I? Where am I? No, don't kill me. Put your hand in my hand. It's so rainy, I can't see anything. Let the sky. No, it's flooding! No, Flynn! Where is we will stand tall. Excuse me, mosquito guys, move. Face it all together. No! Mosquito guys in the top left.
Capped? Oh, yeah, you said. No, King! I just jumped over him. Oh my goodness.
This game is so scary. Okay, I made it back to where I was before. No! Did you see that?
You're not. Just use a normal rifle at long range, and then when it gets closer, you switch.
I just got rocked. I went through a tube and it brought me into the pink person's mouth.
It's up top.
Yeah.
Prime life. Bro, this is actually how someone's like going. Like some little like element. Growing up like this.
What they do?
The lunch lead, bro. They eating. I'm not. I'm literally standing still. I don't know.
You see the evil plant?
Evil Jonkler.
Yeah, Herbal Lejonkler!
Bro said Herbal Lejonkler.
Oh, there's music.
Oh my god, this guy ran directly.
Oh, there's a blue guy and a pink guy coming from the left. Oh, the pink guy ate the blue guy.
Both lizards?
No, like the blue bud guy, the pink guy's eating him currently.
Yeah, this game has like a whole ecosystem for real.
Freako system. There's the purple guy
like
that I think spits.
I'm gonna surround him on my rage. I need a medic.
I need a medic. Oh, there's Team Fortress Dose reference. There's water down here. I don't trust that. I think that's gonna kill me. What's that?
Was it that?
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
On my
Whoa!
life, I heard someone yell.
My God.
I got some blue sandbox item unlocked. New arenas unlocked. This is just unlocking multiplayer stuff.
What the hell?
I found one of those gates. Here, I took a screenshot. He looks like a freak. He like had his tongue out and he was doing the freaky thing.
Jaden, join John Blair too. Dude, I wanted to play that with Flynn, but he was like a sore loser.
My teammates high key get out of the way, bro.
It's just.
Oh my God, bro. My teammates are actual mugs.
Oh, I might have broke the game, Flynn.
Let's see. Your stream is loading. What are you
Look at
doing?
this.
Alright, bro. What did you possibly do?
Right here is like a.
Jaden, come to the yellow
There,
one.
this place is really buggy. Like, look, I'm like climbing onto an invisible.
Oh, why is it Kanye West bear in my tight?
I'm waiting for this purple guy to move. I'll just jump over him.
So somebody else stole it. This is another dude. Get this bum out of here. He's not gonna
I'm dumb, dude.
Wait, join a different server.
Oh, there it is. No, whoa! I grabbed the big one. Let me know. Get me out of here. No, no, it's right there.
Good. Come here. Come here.
No. Okay, I dodged the plant this time. No, 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 thank you.
I want to add Jonathan to my foot. Stop, bro. Stop. Come here. How are you not getting touched?
Repeat. Okay, I made it. I made it. I made it.
Alright. Get calm,
I did it. I did it, Flynn, on the go. Oh, there's like a butterfly. Can I eat the butterfly? It's orange, so that makes me think I can't. It's running from me though. Oh, it's not. It's a caterpillar and I can eat it. Oh, and it healed too. Oh, those don't look safe.
Never give up. Nah, nah, nah.
So I should trust the purple moving grass.
Yeah, bro. Trust it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna trust that.
Can't hurt you. What can it possibly do?
Swarm machine.
I'm just gonna go rest. I'm already full. I just did a backflip. Whoa. Something's in the wind.
Me.
I won't give up. Nah, nah, nah.
Let me
Oh my God, I unlocked my new plane.
I unlocked my new character. No! He's here now.
What?
No, I keep grabbing. No, don't. I just got eaten by the plant. I'm done.
Oh my God, you monk, bro. Why do you keep grabbing?